The following problem solving and data analysis question is going to require a ton of unit conversion here. So let's go ahead and read very closely for which units we're looking for first. A recipe for 24 cookies calls for a stick of butter. So we have a rate already given here where 24 cookies is going to correspond with 1 stick of butter. I'm just going to write stick here. All right. Using this recipe and the relationships in the box above, approximately how many grams of butter would be needed to make 120 cookies. So we're going to keep cookies as one of the units, but sticks is going to have to go away. We're going to have to use grams now. And now we're told that 1 stick of butter equals 4 ounces, and that each ounce equals 28.35 grams. So if we want to figure out how many grams there are in a stick of butter, we're going to have to multiply 4 times 28.35. So 4 times 28.35 is going to give you 113.4 grams about. So that means that 1 stick of butter is 113.4 grams, and that's how many grams you're going to need for 24 cookies. So let's go ahead and rewrite our rate here as 24 cookies is going to mean 113.4 grams of butter. And now we're told how many grams are going to be needed to make 120 cookies. So we're going to set this equal to another rate here, where we're going to keep cookies in the numerator and grams in the denominator. You always must keep them in the same side here across the equal sign. And 120 cookies, though, instead of 24, and our unknown number of grams. So we can just cross multiply here to figure out the answer. 113 times 4, and then that number divided by the remaining here, 24. So 113.4 or times 120, sorry, that's going to be equal to something very large, something like 13,608, and then that number divided by 24 is going to end up equaling something around 567. So approximately how many grams of butter would be needed to make 120 cookies, which is closest to 567 here, 565, and that's the right answer. Hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.